As liquid refrigerant evaporates inside the air conditioning evaporator, it becomes very cool and is able to remove heat from the air entering the passenger compartment. As the humid air passes through the air conditioning system, it leaves condensation droplets on the cold evaporator, creating a moist environment where bacteria can grow and odors form. Since removing and cleaning the evaporator would be a time-consuming, complicated process, other means of cleaning the evaporator core have been developed. An evaporator core cleaning machine, or aerosol can, generates an antibacterial mist that is directed towards the evaporator in order to remove bacteria and odors. The mist enters through the recirculated air entrance of the heating and air conditioning system while the blower motor is operating. The airflow created by the blower motor carries the cleaning chemical across the surface of the evaporator and kills the odor-producing bacteria that has grown there. The cleaning machine, or aerosol, produces the mist for several minutes, with the air conditioning system continuously recirculating some of it until the cleaning procedure is completed.